Alright, so I've been using my Dremel a lot lately, working on these new art pieces, and I've realized that it has like a wobble in it. So it looks pretty smooth there, but if I turn it up, see how much it's like moving back and forth? That's because I broke a bit before and I couldn't get it off, and it was stuck right there, and then eventually it like fell further in, so my bits aren't even really like getting secured by this anymore. You look, it's just coming out. I didn't even have to like mess with this. This is like super hard to push anymore, but it's because that bit is stuck down further in there. So I did what every American does, and I bought a new one. Now this one was the 4200. I bought the 43. 1.8 amps. It apparently comes with all these parts. That's nice. 40 accessories and 5 attachments. There's the specifics if you're interested in that kind of stuff. All these extra parts. Nice. That's what I'm interested in. The universal 3-jaw chuck. Makes changing bits faster. So apparently they caught on that this wasn't such a good idea. These stupid things. This is how you used to change it. Push down and pull that out. But like I said, a piece broke in there, and it's always been really difficult to just, like, you got to do both sides at the same time, and it's got quite a bit of spring to it. So hopefully this one will be easier and better. There we go. Dremel 4300. Here's all my guards and standoffs. Guard. A sanding bit guard, I guess. I don't know what this is for. I don't know. Some other type of guard, I guess. I don't even know what these are. Oh, okay, so you can use it like a router. I thought that's what this piece was. It was similar. Anyways. That's nice. It's got the little light on there. Power button. Pretty cool. This is the lock for the chuck. Ooh, that is easy. Just loosen that up. Tighten it back down. I like that this has like physical chucks, like like a screwdriver or a drill would have. Unlike this, where it's just like, this is the only thing holding those bits in there, is those flimsy little metal pieces. So this should be much better. So got the variable speed. Both of them have the variable speed. My screw's all messed up from like taking this thing apart and repairing it so many times, because the contact, there's like a contact in here that goes on the motor that keeps it running, and if that isn't screwed in enough, or it comes loose, or the contact wears out, then the motor doesn't spin. So this one's got the same thing. Got a nice little stand on the back. It looks like mine used to have that. I don't remember ever using it. It'll probably just break off. I won't even care. Nice. These pieces here. Stupid wrench. Oh, nice. Came with some of the easy attachment. Sanding pads. So these are super handy. Got the little disc on the thing. This is probably easier to do when it's on the Dremel, but I feel like I need like 3 hands to do this. There we go, that's the trick. Put it between your fingers and push down like that. It goes in, give it a twist, and it locks down. And then when you change it, give it a twist, there we go. And you can put a new one on. It's pretty cool. So it came with a whole bunch of those in different ratings, 240, 120, 60, etc. I'm sure it said all that on the back of the box. Some like polishing compound. Oh, nice. Easy cutters. Those are super handy too. It's the same idea with the sanding, but it's a cut wheel. I like those a lot. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then it comes with your instructions and your manual. Nice. Cool drill bit. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get back to work. So, yeah, I think it's a cool upgrade.